In the moonlight, your skin glows, a canvas painted where the wild wind blows. Deep like night, soft as a whisper, in your presence time disappears. Your beauty shines like the forest grace, with the colors of wolves that run wild and chase. The strength of a lioness, fierce and true. In the depth of your eyes, the colors renew. Your laughter dances like sunlight through trees, a melody carried by the softest breeze. Each shade of your being, a story unfolds, with whispers of